And you? Hope you are all great and fine. Okay. Miss you guys a lot. And willing to see you very soon. You see, we're going to see each other very, very soon. Okay. Well, today here, all right. Let me see. Let me switch the camera to the other side. Let's go from one side to the other. Whoa! Every time I move, I just kind of get dizzy. Nah, just kidding. Okay, we're gonna start with unit 11. Okay, my birthday. We love birthdays. Remember when we um sing and dance in top of the desk with you guys? That's your birthday. Okay, I love that part. Okay, I miss it. I miss it a lot. Yeah, we have fun. Everyone to everybody. All right, now here, okay, we have my birthday and we have some vocabulary. Okay, things that we usually have in every birthday. Okay, for example, everything is food. Well, as we see here, we got burgers, sausages, lemonade, watermelon, oranges, and cake. All right, we love that, don't we? Okay, look at that party they're having here. Having a great time here. Okay, remember these words. All right, we're gonna use this vocabulary through the unit. Okay, and they're not new because we went through them a long time ago. Burgers, sausages, lemonade, watermelon, love that fruit. Oranges, I love that fruit too. And cake, especially like chocolate cake. All right, so I think, okay, now let's come over here and we're going to see this part here. Okay, listen and point and chant. Okay, well, let's do it. All right. So look at them. We look at all of them. Fine young man. I think they're talking about D. Yeah, there's five right there. Look at him. He can swim. I think that's letter E. Yeah, he can swim right there. Look at her in her new skirt. We're talking about letter A. Look at you and your nice clean shoes. Oh, yeah, we're talking about letter F. Okay. Look at us on a big red bus. Yes, letter B. You were right. And look at me. I'm under a tree. There is under a tree. Okay, I'm gonna refresh your mind. Remember that in, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. The hardest one. Okay, so it goes a little bit about this, and we talk about him, her, us, they. Okay, personal pronouns. Okay, all right, we're gonna be using them too. Now let's go to read and answer number 4, and here it says, I'm gonna make it a little bigger so everybody can see it. There we go. Remember, here, let me move this little. There we go. I'm moving a little bit to the side. Okay. Now we're gonna use the words down below, under. Okay. And it goes this way. Let's see if I remember. Yes. It is my birthday party this afternoon. Mom and Dad are doing things in the house. Mom is in the living room, standing on a chair. She's putting some green, blue, and purple balloons, there we go, on the wall and on the door. Dad is making some mango ice cream in where else? The kitchen. Okay. There is some food and lots of drinks on the table. My birthday, I love this part. Cake has chocolate and fruit in it. Well, I think it's very, very simple, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the worksheet that I'm gonna send you. Okay. Well, I wanted to go through really quick. Let's see if it goes to the next page. Oh, it takes a while. Okay, here we go. All right. Remember, we have um, some other. Let's see. We did that. Would you like some? Okay, just please. Or no, no, thank you. That's the polite way to saying. Okay, and here we have. Let's see if you can see it. If you can follow my arrow, we have some burgers and sausages. Remember sausages. We already done that, didn't we? Yes, we did. Okay, we got some fries here. We got some orange. Here we have some fruit, a bowl of fruit. We have oranges, pears, and bananas, watermelons. This over here, I guess it is some rice, maybe. I don't know. Let me some kind of deep right there. Okay, and we got here drinks. Okay, all right. So remember the sausages, sausage, singular, sausages, plural. Okay, and here they tell us a little bit about it. I like a great big chocolate cake, and I like one for me. I like a nice long sausage. Here it is. And I like one for me. I like a burger, and some fries. Here they are. And I like some for me. I like a drink of lemonade. There we go. And I like some for me. I like colored pencils. I like a box of coloring pencils. Don't give any to me. Way. Okay. Now, let's go to the worksheet. Okay. This is the worksheet I prepared for you guys. Here, let me move back again here to this corner. Here we go. Okay. Well, it looks kind of weird, but you have to put the first letter of the word. For example, here, the ball is under the box. So we put a U. Okay. This one will be an S, another S, E, a G, an A of armchair, and a name. That looks, to me, I think it's something long that you can eat. It starts for sauce. Whoop, I'm not going to say no more. Very simple, huh? How about here? If we come over here, we have an L, a lizard, orange, an O, milk, an M, N for a nose, and we have an F, F for egg. I think that's something with lemon and you can drink. Check it out. I already give you lots of hints. Okay, here. Now circle the different words. Okay, we have a tree, a garden, a flower, a car. What is a car doing in a garden where there's flowers and a tree? Nah, the difference is the car. Okay, here we have shoe, camera, robot, kite. Camera, robot, kite. You can play with them, don't you? Well, you can do things with it. With a shoe, do is a walk. Is just walk. Okay. Well, read the rest of them. Okay, and try to find yourself the difference. Just only one, huh? Remember, only one. Circle, only one. Okay. Now, as always, all right. I'm gonna do the listening for you. Remember, you can do it at home because you have the listening with it. Okay, but I'm gonna do you the listening so you can do it and get used to my voice. Remember. Okay. A girl standing under the tree. Draw two flowers next to her. Next to her, 2 flowers. A boy is standing on the bus stop. Draw a bike, ding ding, in front of him. In front. Okay? Now, some children are playing in the park. Draw a ball between them. A ball? You know those big balls? Okay, we play with. All right, and I'm standing in the playground. Draw a school behind me. Behind me. Well, that was very simple. Okay. All right. And the last one here. Here, I'm going to read flowers next to the girl under the tree. Draw a bike in front of the boy in the bus stop. Draw a ball between the children in the park. And draw a school behind. Behind, okay, the girl standing in the playground. Okay? Now, here, we're going to read and write. We're going to use her, it, me, them, us, you. We got them. Look. Look at them. All right? Can I play with smile at, take a photo of, come and play with, and take a photo of. Remember, the objects is that it. I'm going to give you that hand because, I mean, we are so with the it. It, we only use it for objects and pets, dogs and cats, for example. Okay. Well, remember that I'll send you to correct your other worksheet. Okay, it will be on the blog. And hope everybody's fine. Another day with you guys. I love it. And have fun. Remember, stay well, stay good, stay home, and help mom and dad. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye.